Hey guys, Matt here with T-Rex Grills. Today we're going to be unboxing one of our fairly new products. What we've been doing recently is offering our new style Laser X series grills for older model trucks. So today we're going to be showing you our Laser X series grill for the 2016 to 2017 Toyota Tacoma. So if you're an older model Tacoma owner, check it out. Let's get this thing unboxed and see what you get. The Laser X series grill is a one-piece 14-gauge laser-cut steel direct replacement grill. It has the same honeycomb pattern as our late model Tacoma Laser series grills and comes powder-coated black for long-lasting good looks. Like all Laser series grills and X Metal series grills, this grill comes with our recognizable chrome studs and X Metal badging. If you like a blacked out look, this grill is also available in a stealth version with black studs and black badging. With this grill, you receive all hardware necessary for an easy installation, detailed full color instructions. Like all T-Rex grills, this Laser X series grill comes with a lifetime structural warranty and 3-year finish warranty. Alright guys, so that's the new Laser X series grill for the 2016 and 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Thanks for checking in. Make sure to leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see featured next, and make sure to hit the subscribe button.